Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on typical Austrian food. We start with different soups that taste awesome, but are really hard to pronounce. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to become aware of various soups that are common in Austria. After having watched this video, you're able to pronounce most of them. Let's start with one of the most popular soups in Austria, the Fritattensuppe or Fritattensuppm. Fritattensuppe can be translated as sliced pancake soup and is often a starter before the Wiener Schnitzel. Fritattensuppe. Another important Austrian soup is the so-called Grießnockerlsuppe or Grießnockerlsupm. Grießnockerlsuppe means semolina dumpling soup in English. In this case, the dumplings are not round but oval. Grießnockerlsuppe. After skiing or hiking, Austrians like eating the so-called Knödelsuppe. The Knödelsuppe has got quite a lot of calories. The most important ingredient is cheese, which is Käse in Austrian dialect. Knödelsuppe. The next soup we take a look at is the Fritattensuppe. You won't come across it every day, however, it consists of a soup garnish made of herbs. Fritattensuppe. Furthermore, the Leberknödelsuppe or Leberknödelsupm is a hearty soup which is also very popular and famous in Austria. The Leberknödelsuppe consists of liver, while it can be translated as liver dumpling soup. Leberknödelsuppe. I hope you're a bit more familiar with typical Austrian soups that are delicious but very hard to pronounce. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.